Ke Sorkar jela mentah ke sengi ke arpusan tarik nailur arja arpusau ke lepentip bah ke Jingïakhun batu Droks ke Sorkar ke Klemshong klikti henry ke Shimkhiabha bat ke ni lalak ban saki lingba ki kam kum ke Jingïakhun hadut sauspa sanpau ngot ki beriu ke jinglak ban penhap apok ke mukadama hadut arspa sanpau teli ki kes bat ke Jingïakhun kurup yau Droks bosyongdor spa kelur. Hapa pentip halor ke Jingïakhun ki arngot ki beriu bat ki basyapan ngat apok ke NDPS Act Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke sang mau loong ke Jingïakhun Pyrshah yau Droks kamsuk bat ke long ke Sohsat Shisha henry ke Sorkar kan Pyrshang Jingïakhun ban lak ban pendunai ke Jingdon ki bangop bat kerni hau Droks ban nak ke Jing sedang ye ke Dream Project ke bala trek kambha mentah ulah pentip ru ba udang sudap penmi ke hukum ban don ke komiti ke ban clear dau ADC haki district ke ba anywhere lang ye ki noyalam snong ki seng traimon ngobha halor ke ni kamat.
The entire process of cracking down on drug and the entire supply chain and all the usage. The government is very, very serious, and in the last many years, you've seen, as I said, hundreds of crores of drugs has been seized. We have put up labs. We have, picked up many people, and so government is working, and the other departments are working very aggressively to cut down and to really control the situation. So in that particular process, yes, we would like to inform you that under the PITS NDPS, which is the Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act, 2 people were arrested recently. And this is again an example of how the government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that action is taken and substantial action is taken in this entire war against drugs. And that's the reason why our actions are proven by the fact that 450 arrests have been made and 250 cases are on, and hundreds and hundreds of crores of drugs have been seized. So this is clearly a reflection of the government's seriousness and the action that we are taking. That's number 1. Number 2, of course, the aspect of drugs and the impact of drugs is very serious. But we also need to realize that it's a matter where we need to work together, all of us. Recently, I have come out with an order of putting up one committee headed by an additional deputy commissioner, and in different cities and towns of the state, different district headquarters, and ADC of that particular district would head the committee, and the different rangbashnongs or development committees or headmans of different localities would be part of this, and different society members will be part of this. The idea is that we need the society to work together if we have to really handle this entire menace of drugs. So many steps are being taken. The Dream project that we have started is also showing results at the grassroots level. This step we have taken recently is another clear indication of the government's seriousness. But yes, it's a very complicated problem for us. It goes beyond our borders also, and it's an aspect that is even beyond the country's border. So it's a very complicated problem in front of us. But as I said, everybody from the government of India to the different state governments, to the district administration, we're ensuring that everybody becomes a part of this entire solution to the problem, and we're able to control this menace of drugs.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.